So how do you make every day a good day? Good question, right? Well, it's your Monday morning motivational moment. So I'm going to share with you, how do you make every day a good day? Well, one, you've just got to set the intention. It's make it a point that you are going to have a good day. An intention is basically, it's a roadmap for your soul, for your spirit. Like today is going to be a good day. So one of the ways that you can do this is, first of all, just take the time in the morning to just connect with your higher power, with God, for me, and to just be still and just imagine getting the downloads. It's just pouring in on you, and you're getting all the answers to all the conversations that are going to happen ahead of time. So take the time to connect. Two is kind of just visualize and hear yourself being happy, laughing, being productive, connecting with people. So you want to be able to actually see all that, visualize all that. But then you also want to actually hear it. You want to just close your eyes and just hear your laugh, see your smile, see as you connect with people and touch them, and how you're really touching their spirit and their soul. So that's how you make your day a good day. You have to have a good day when you do that, when you plan it for it to come out that way. Are things going to show up? Of course things are going to show up, but at least if you put your intention out there, your roadmap for your spirit, for your soul, then you know that most of the time it's going to be a good day. So what happens if this negative thought or moment shows up? Well, if a negative thought shows up, that's all it is. It's simply a thought. We don't have to keep thinking and dwelling on it. It's just like, okay, this was just a thought. I'm just going to let it go. I speak to my thoughts and I just say, okay, thank you for that. I no longer need to be hearing that. So bye. And it's gone. So just remember, everything that we're thinking about, we are sending it out. I always said, to the universe, to the world. We're broadcasting it. So when we have an intention of having an awesome day, guess what? Things are just going to show up that are going to be really great and amazing in our day. That's how you have a good day. You wake up and you plan on having a good day. So have a magical week. I know you're going to have an amazing week, and I will catch you next week. See ya. Have a good one.